an English language professional. In our evening series with law students, today I'm going to begin with Sumail. This is the 22nd of May 2025, and my first law student today with whom I'm going to talk is Sumail. Good evening, Sumail.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
So, and how are you spending your vacation?
Yeah, it's going pretty well, ma'am.
And I hope you did not get wet in the rain yesterday.
I just stayed in my room, that's it.
But I think the temperature has come down because of the rains.
The temperature has come down, but a little bit humidity, I think, ma'am. We
Yes.
can feel that humidity due to that rain.
Yes, if we had more rain, I think it would be better. But since we had very little rain,
Yeah,
the
the humidity.
has increased. So since you are law students, I thought I would try out some role play with you, in the sense that you will be the lawyer and I will be perhaps play the role of a client.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we can start. I'll explain the situation to you.
Yeah, sure.
And please see that you speak loudly so that it can be heard clearly. All right. So this is the situation. I have a land in my hometown. Let's say it's in Nalgonda, and it's about half an acre of land.
Okay, half acre of land.
And it belongs to my grandparents, and it's passed on to my parents, and now it's come to me.
It's called succession, right, ma'am?
Succession.
Yeah.
Now, I don't live there, I just go once in a while. What has happened is there's a neighbor who runs a shop kind of a thing. He's a scrap dealer. He had his own shop, but now I find that he has taken a part of my land as well, and he's using it for his business. He's
Okay.
built a small compound wall also.
Ma'am,
So
did
a part of my land is being used by him, and when I told him, he says no, it belongs to me, and that's what. So what is the kind of legal recourse for me?
ma'am, actually it called trespass.
Okay.
So there are two ways. Like one is called criminal trespass and other one is like normal trespass.
Okay.
If you're seeking for any damages from you need any compensation from him, you can go through thoughts, or else you can go through, CRPC. You can file charge sheet on him and FIR, and it will be charge sheeted, and you can prosecute him.
I would like my land back. I don't
If
want
you
any
want to,
compensation.
you are seeking for to recover your land from him.
Recover my land from him.
So there is an option, ma'am. So if you have better title over that land, so you are not going to give him that like any, like we can call him rent or suppose some lease. You are not given land to him.
No, I've not. It's just been lying and vacant.
Vacant. You have
And
not
because
fixed
they're
any
just-
boundaries.
Uh-huh.
There is no proper walls
No,
or something.
Yes, there is no problem.
So he occupied your land.
Yes,
A part or total land, ma'am?
part of it. At the moment he's using a part of it. And when I went
Okay.
just 2 months ago, I saw all this. 1 month ago, I saw all this. So what can I do now so that I get back my land, and then I will maybe should build a boundary wall. which I've not done.
I suggest you need to approach court. See, for your remedy, they will give you temporary injection.
Okay.
By injection, you can get back your land. If he again enters into your land, you can file a complaint in police station. That's it.
So what is injunction?
Injunction is nothing but it was granted under SR Act, specific relief. So there are three kinds of injunctions. One is temporary, other one is permanent, and the third one is perpetual. Or these temporary injection and permanent injection are given at the time of like while the case is in pending before the court. So now you need to get back your land, right?
Yes.
So you can use the You can file a complaint over the court in the court, and uh, you can
So
pray
would
before
that
the
be
judge.
criminal case or what would it be?
Uh,
What kind of
Based upon
legal?
intention, ma'am, just before filing the complaint, just talk to him. If he is denying you, then you can approach the court,
Okay,
because like civil matters pending takes a lot of time.
long time. I know.
There are more pending cases in courts, right?
Yes, yes. I know. That's why I'm scared to take a legal recourse because this. I thought it would be a civil case.
Yeah,
And
we can file civil case. See, any harm done to you, like any body or like your property, then we can file to criminal case. So there is nothing harm to you. So we can file
yeah, this
civil
is a
case.
recent development because I don't go very often. I just went once in 6 months. I go. So when I went about a month ago, I noticed that this is what has happened.
Just talk to
I
him.
talked to him. He says this is my land and all that. So
Okay, if you have proper documents and you have title over that land, then you can grab it.
I have documents. Yes, I have documents because this land has been with my family for more than 50 years.
Yeah. So if he denying, I mean, while he was staying in that land, if he denies something like just we see and ignore.
He's actually a neighbor.
Neighbor,
and
yeah,
he
right.
has his business there, some shop.
Yeah. After we got notice about that land, like he was occupied your land.
Yeah.
Still, we are neglecting if you are not going to like file any case or something else.
Okay.
Then, like he will get legally he will get title over that land.
He'll get title over the land.
Yes.
My land, you're saying?
Yeah. If he
I don't
if he
file
continuously
any-
stays
if I
to
don't
about 12
complain.
years.
Okay. So that's why I should not delay anymore.
Yes,
I
you
should
need
do
to
it
delay.
immediately. That's it. That's what I wanted to know because I was wondering what happened. Part of my land is gone. Now my land looks so much smaller.
Yeah.
But as soon as I get it back, I'll build a compound wall.
Yeah, you need
and
to
a
build
gate.
compound wall because like you're not staying over that land, you're not going to regularly visit that land.
Yes.
So it's better to take build some compound walls or something walls so that you can easily identify that
Yes, so that
someone has
nobody
occupied
else
or
can
not.
encroach.
Yeah.
It becomes like
If there are any relatives nearby you, just ask them to visit some more time, some period of time.
I'll
Not
do that.
regularly
I
or like.
have, yeah, relatives are there, but not very close. They're about 4-5 kilometers away. So now I think I'll have to ask.
Yeah.
To come and keep checking from time to time.
Yeah, you need to check time to time, right?
That's it. I think I'll do that. Thank you. So if I need to take all these legal precautions, I think I might as well take you as a lawyer, and you can maybe tell me what is to be done and what if I need to file a complaint, how do I file it? I suppose you as a lawyer can guide me as to how it can be done. Isn't it?
Yeah, ma'am. So initially we need to file like we need to pay some charges to the court,
Yeah. Okay.
like depending upon the land value, market value, we have to pay to the court, and the court will like first they will
Then
issue
I'll
someone
pay.
summons to him,
Oh.
and later on based on upon like we will file some complaint and like what the statements are from us and what prayer we are seeking from court, we need to mention all over them, and we will file a private complaint or like some civil suit in court.
So
Depends
how
upon
long
the
will
jurisdiction.
That take, all this process?
Um,
By the time I file a complaint, and then the summons go to that man.
okay, ma'am. Based upon my knowledge, any civil case to come upon trial, it might take more than 1 year, 2 years, something.
Just to come up on trial.
Yes.
But the summons will go to him before.
Yeah, summons will go to him. So the court will
So
ask
do you
reply
think
from him.
Before it comes to trial, do you think it can be settled?
Yeah, it can be settled by mediation, arbitration. Some there are conciliation, something. Yes.
Yeah, I would prefer that, I suppose. friend.
Yeah.
That's good. All right. So, okay, that was a law student talking about what can be done if a client comes
Yeah.
to consult with a lawyer, and because you are all budding lawyers, so you will have to learn the art of counseling a client, which you
Yeah,
people are
we
doing.
need to counsel a client because there are many pending cases, right, ma'am?
Yes,
It will
yes.
take more
And
time.
any client would first come to consult with the lawyer, isn't
Yeah,
it? And they will ask his or her advice.
advice, yes.
Then you can, of course, or you will tell the best thing to do.
Yeah,
Okay, now we will look at some pictures, and there is a little picture here. When you look at the picture, you can tell uh, whatever you see in the picture.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can take this picture, study it a little bit, and frame some sentences about it.
Yeah, ma'am. By seeing this picture, I can recall some story, right?
Whatever you see in the picture,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
what do you
Just
see in the picture?
we can see a man. Who, I think he might be master. See, he was guiding that his servant about showing him a dead rat.
Dead rat. Okay.
Yeah, the rat is dead, I think. Uh, and
Where is that?
I think this is a place where this is like environment. If you see this environment, it seems like village, and I think they are seriously discussing about the dead rat.
Where are they standing?
Actually, they were standing in veranda, like
There's a house there.
I think
and
that
that's
servant
where-
is not allowed to enter his home. Just he is laying on steps. That's it.
So is he
Like he was
a
obeying,
young
like he,
person?
yeah, young
Perhaps
person.
he's a servant, you think?
I think he's obedient to his master, uh, and I think some merchant is selling some fruits or something. He was like, uh,
You can
I,
see a
yeah,
merchant
yeah, we can
selling
see that
something.
merchant
What
something.
is he selling?
I can't see clearly. It's not clear,
He's
so I
selling
can't see it.
something. Okay.
I think that old lady might be his wife. Uh, think
You think she's his
it's
wife or somebody who's come to buy something? What do you think?
no, no, ma'am. I think she is his wife because she's laying near to his home,
Okay.
and moreover, uh,
What else can you see?
and then
How does the house look like? The veranda, as you said,
there are two ventilations, right? In two windows we
two
can see,
windows.
and a big door, and big entrance. Like I think this is built through like old structures. Not presently we can see this type of homes in city or somewhere. Even we can't see this type of homes in villages. There, everyone using that rooftop cements, something, something. And
It's an old-fashioned kind
yeah,
of
yeah,
house.
this is old tradition. I think this
There's
is.
something else. There's a pillar also on the
I think this
veranda.
is not pillar, ma'am. This is a support. Actually, this is a type of pillar, but not exactly like a pillar. Pillar is built from like digging. Nowadays, pillar is built by digging, but it not seems like that.
Doesn't look
I
like
think
pillar.
the pillar is like made with wood.
Can be
It
from
might
wood.
be made with wood.
Not all pillars are made of wood. They can be normal concrete
Yeah, yeah,
pillars also, because they support the roof.
yeah, yeah. It was used to support the roof, right?
Indeed.
But mostly in olden days, they didn't use any cement pillars. Something they're using like
Nowadays they are using cement pillars.
yeah. Now mostly they will use mostly not. They're using cement pillars. That's it for strong buildings because they are building 20 floors, 10 floors approximately. You can see. And
So there are you.
mm,
You have, and where is the boy standing? That young boy
I was standing at middle of the steps. I think
on the steps.
yeah, on the steps.
On the
It was in middle, so that he was no. I think the servant should not be at the equal level of that master.
No.
No, I mean,
Depending on the story, since we don't know, but we have to make a guess
yes.
because we don't know the story. By looking
because
at the picture, we just make a guess. So it looks like that man is asking something to the boy. Pointing to the dead rat.
Pointing to the dead rat might be he was asking to remove or that.
Remove, maybe. Yeah. So we'll have to make a guess because we don't know. The story is not written here. It's just from the picture.
Yeah.
Whatever you can understand.
Yeah, by seeing his, what he was wearing, by seeing his outfit, we can guess that he was a marshal and like zamindar or something we can call him, right? Landlord, a big landlord.
Yeah,
See, we can see that the master is wearing chappals, but the servant is not wearing. He was like barefoot, and the servant is like simple. Yeah, the servant is very simple. He was just wearing a shirt and dhoti. That's it. But the master is.
Alright, so another thing is that man who is selling something, what has he got on his shoulders? He's got
A stick on shoulder with two equal level, two baskets which are equal weight, so that it should not be imbalanced.
Something which is selling. Okay.
Yeah.
And there's another hut at the back, small cottage.
Yeah, there is a small cottage. It might be neighbors. I think. I guess there might be neighbors to him.
So it definitely looks like a village scene, isn't it?
Yeah, it seems like village, ma'am. But nowadays we can't see this.
All the three men
At traditional way, like we can, they are representing our India.
Yes, no, that's true. Traditional way. So though we don't know the story, but we can make out whatever. That man is pointed towards the dead rat, and that's good. So when you were framing sentences, you were talking about putting them in the present continuous tense because it's happening here.
Yeah.
The man is talking, the man is pointing
Yeah,
towards the dead rat, the boy is standing on the steps. Everything is in
present continuous.
And when it is present continuous, it's always one helping word, main verb and ing form.
Okay, one is helping verb.
Like is, are, these are all helping verbs.
Helping verb.
And if I say he is standing on the steps.
Standing is a verb.
Stand is the main verb and ing form because it is continuous.
Plus
and if I'm explaining from a picture, it has to be in the continuous form.
Okay.
Nobody has walked away, no? So it's all in the present continuous
form.
So today we'll just look at some more verb forms. I've been doing present tense and I thought I would do all the 4 kinds of tenses in the present. In the present we have simple present and we have present continuous, we have present perfect and
present perfect continuous.
Yes. So we'll just look at some examples and maybe you can also make some examples.
Yes, sure.
For example, let's take the verb sleep. Okay. If it's in the present, simple present, can you make a sentence with sleep?
He is sleeping. He sleeps daily. Simple present.
Daily or he sleeps daily at 10 o'clock.
Okay, we can use.
He sleeps. So sleeps is the simple present.
Simple present.
Okay. And if it's in present continuous form?
Present continuous, like
same verb, sleep.
He is sleeping.
No.
He's sleeping.
You can say he's
present
sleeping
continuous.
now. Okay, then it's present continuous. And if it's present perfect?
Present perfect. He sleeps at 10 o'clock daily.
No, that sleeps again simple present. It's a habit. It's not present perfect.
Can you make an example, ma'am?
He has slept for 4 hours, 6 hours, whatever you wish to say. So when it's present perfect, you have to use the sleep becomes slept. That's the participle form. Okay. And then it also has to take a helping verb. Has slept. He has slept. But I just can't say he has slept. I have to say some time I have to give. For so much time. He has slept for 4 hours. He has slept for 6 hours. Something like that. Some time duration you have to give. Then it becomes present perfect. And present perfect continuous, again with sleep, can you make a sentence?
Okay. He is sleeping for. Okay, present perfect continuous, right?
That will take two helping verbs.
He has sleeping uh, from since morning. He have sleeping from since morning.
But with he, it is, has to be has.
He has
And
sleeping.
then there is a second, there are two. So for example, if I say sleep, he has been sleeping all night, for example.
Okay.
So all night means maybe it's
Okay,
still
we can use
sleeping
he
or
has
going
sleeping till
on, maybe
morning.
it's the end of the night or whatever. He has been sleeping all night. Has is one helping word, been is one helping word, then sleep main verb plus ing form.
Okay.
He has been sleeping all night.
Oh,
Okay.
he has
So
sleeping. He has been
sleeping
sleeping.
all night. So that is present, perfect, continuous. And we use it when the time is it's still going on, or let's say all night he's been sleeping. So it's, let's say it's close to morning time now. So I can always say that he has been sleeping all night. So it's present, perfect, continuous. Has is one helping verb. Been is one helping verb. Sleep plus ing form. I mean, it's enough to know what are the different forms of the present tense. The
Okay.
same way with past tense also you have four forms. Future tense also you have four,
Four
forms.
forms.
We will do those later. So this is just for some information, some awareness when you use, when we talk in our English. We have to be aware of the tenses.
Yeah, ma'am.
What happened when? I can't use present, simple present everywhere. I can't use
Present
present continuous
continuous.
everywhere. So depending on the situation, I'll use the right form of the tense. Okay. We will also do some long speech now. So you can choose. There are two different topics here. You can choose one
Yeah, sure.
and read it aloud.
Is it good for students to study online from home? Advantages and disadvantages. Yeah. The topic is on like a study online from home. Yeah. First, we talk about advantages.
Okay. Remote. Remote. ACS.
See, ma'am, advantages for students to study in online, right? See,
So you
he
can,
can.
one second, let me clarify. Generally, this is a long talk, so you can speak for about 2 minutes at least. Try to speak 1.5 to 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
And tell us about, is it quite prevalent nowadays for students to study online? Not go to college, some people only study at home and online. So how is it? Is it common? And
Ma'am,
what are the
studying at
benefits or whatever it is?
yeah,
Benefits or no benefits, whatever it is.
studying at home, like in online. See, he was like he need not to travel to his school or college, so he can save the time for traveling. Like we can see that this is a busy schedule, like we can say heavy traffic, it might take hours to travel in city, so he can save that time. And moreover, uh, while a student is teaching in while a teacher is teaching in class, a student can't pay that much attention because of his neighbor children, like who is sitting next to him. Just he will disturb, like see something, he will show something, like he might be disturbed due to that friends or something. So it's better to study at home. So mm, he will pay his whole attention to the class. And moreover, for a disabled people, he can't travel, right? It might be difficult to travel him from home to that place where the coaching is going, or like a school or something. So if the classes are teaching in online, he can sit at his place and he can study without any disturbances. Uh, in his own environment, he can study. He need not to travel. And moreover, expenses are very high, ma'am, for traveling. See, like for a student, if he was school is nearby, he need to go by cycles, like or something. Uh, for a student, it's not. Yeah, for a student, it's not that much bearable expenses for his traveling, and moreover, uh, globally there are many schools and colleges. We can connect with them. Not see if I'm staying in Hyderabad, I will choose colleges in Hyderabad. That's itself. That's it. I can't choose like Bombay or some other states. So if the classes in online, I can I can study our classes like in Bombay or something. But there are disadvantages like we can't interact with teachers, right? See, the teachers can't see our expressions that we are listening or not, and moreover the classroom environment we can't feel. See, more see, ma'am. Actually, while I was studying at home, I don't I study there. Usually they have 24 hours. I think to study around 24 hours, I need to study around 12 hours per a day. Uh, from beginning of day, I feel that I need to study about 12 hours a day. So while I was starting, my mom calls me like, "Beta, come and go bring bring some things from shops.
Okay.
I will be get disturbed later on."
So, what do you think? Do you think there are enough resources available for students when they study online?
Yeah, ma'am. But basically, the every student is having internet, mobile, or something they will use, and he need to have he should have a good internet connection.
Yes.
And I think most of the people are having Android phones at the age of 2 years, something else.
Yeah. So you feel there are some advantages
Yeah, there are more
and
advantages
some
and disadvantages. Mostly, if they are using mobile, they will be addicted to some other. While the class is running, they will use some other apps also, ma'am. The parents can't notice that my student is sorry, my son is hearing the class, but they don't know that the actually he is listening or not. He will like he will play the class and he will scroll something else.
Okay. If the students are responsible, they will study. Whether it's
Based
online,
upon
whether they study at home or in the school or college,
there,
depending on their own responsibility.
excuse me. There are more advantages and disadvantages. Both are them, ma'am.
All right, let's look at some word meanings from the newspaper.
Yeah.
So these are not just word meanings, there could be a phrase, a group of words. So there are some words which I have circled. You can read it out aloud and then explain what you think is the meaning.
Okay. Raven blames Modi for going easy on Pak.
So what does it mean?
I think we can see that Operation Sindoor might be Revant Reddy is talking about the actions taken by our honorable Prime Minister on Pak.
He's anyways blaming him.
Yeah, because there might be political
So
reasons.
what does it mean for going easy on Pak?
I think
In the papers, there's been a lot, no? In the news also.
yeah.
What do you think? Going easy on Pak means?
Easy on Pak, I can't guess, ma'am.
For because Revan belongs to another political party.
Yeah, he belongs to some
And the
party.
center, Modi, of course, belongs to
Some
another
other party.
So anyhow, they are always criticizing because the Revant Reddy and all are in
I
the
think
opposition.
it is
So
an
he's
innuendo.
saying yet you did not, you were very easy with the people who attacked us.
Actually, while we read normally, for going easy on Pak, it seems like easy on Pak something else.
They did not
But there is an innuendo inside this. If you go deep inside this, it's
No, because
he
we
was
know
criticizing
the
you.
situation. No?
Yes.
We know, everybody knows that this was what was happening between the two countries, and this opposition feels that they did not. Those are enemies or whatever. We left them off very. We did not punish
I
them.
think more.
We did not punish them
I-
enough. That's what
We are
it
not
is.
punishing enough. It's not correct, ma'am. Because innocents and civilians are affecting because of that acts. See, some war or something undergoes, most of the civilians also will need to experience it.
They might also get affected.
They
Yes.
need also affect. They will be.
But at the same time, we should not allow another country to attack us or do some harm in our country. If they do it, we'll have to take appropriate action. We
Actually,
means not the civilians.
actually,
The
since
government
age,
will do it.
since ages, India following the principle of peace.
So, yes. But then we can't always follow peace because otherwise other people will think that we are weak. Sometimes they might think
Yeah,
that.
ma'am. Actually, our father of nation teaches us that show.
Okay, there's another group of words here. Circle. What do you think?
India seeks US tariff waiver for agri items. I think we are asking US to remove, taxes on that agri
Tariff.
products.
Yes.
Agri
So
products,
what is
right?
waiver here?
Waiver means to just remove.
Remove. Yes. Good. Agri products means all agriculture.
Agriculture items. It might be pesticides or like
Whatever it is.
might be
And
food items.
because it was there in the paper that US is imposing a lot of taxes.
Taxes on
Taxes
agri
means
products.
tariffs.
Yes.
Whatever we send to US,
US, they are imposing taxes, heavy taxes on us.
So they're saying if you buy foreign products, lot of taxes you people have to pay.
Yeah.
Tariffs. If you wish to sell your products in our country. So India is, what is it seeking? It's trying to see that
Tariff
at least
waiver.
for agriculture products, let
Just
there
remove
be
that.
no taxes. Remove the taxes.
Remove
so
the taxes.
waiver here means remove the taxes. Okay, I think we have done these two words for today. All right, so thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sumit, and it was nice talking to you. You have talked about the verb forms, you've done a role play as a lawyer, you have done it, counseled the client, you have also done those verb forms, good, and you've done the words also. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
evening.
Thank you.
So, the next law student for today is Pawan. Good evening, Pawan.
Yeah, very good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good, good. Were there any showers today? Little rain? Here
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
there?
It was.
There were?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday night and today morning itself.
Okay, so good for our Hyderabad and good for us.
Yes,
too.
ma'am.
I think
Mm.
it will be a little
Yes, ma'am.
more pleasant
Yes,
if
ma'am.
it starts raining and the temperature comes down. All right, so now since you're all budding lawyers, I thought I'd try out another role play with you. So I'll be the client and I'll explain the situation.
Okay, ma'am.
You can counsel me as a lawyer. It's my neighbor who has a dog and it keeps barking. They have a pet dog. It keeps barking very often in the day and in the night also. And it obviously disturbs. It disturbs my family, it disturbs other people around. But the neighbor, in spite of complaints, the neighbor has not done anything. He has not taken any action to see that the dog doesn't bark quite often. And it's not just the fact that it keeps barking. There's a gate and they have a small garden and then there's a gate. And whenever somebody passes by, the dog comes running, barking towards the gate. And if somebody goes to visit and they have some work with the neighbor, even then the dog comes barking at whoever is come to ring the bell and come inside the gate. So that scares the people and they are afraid to enter. And apart from that, there's a lot of noise during
Yes.
the day, during the night it's barking. So what kind of action can I take? Because I've talked to the neighbor, he has not listened. So what do I take?
Yeah, ma'am. It comes under the public nuisance and the negligency. Yeah, we can file a complaint, ma'am. Yeah, first we need to file a complaint under the police station under the public nuisance. Actually, if anything, we have a right to keep the things, our pets or something, whatever we like, we can keep it. but it does not harmful to any other people.
It should not disturb the
Yes,
others.
ma'am. It's not only physically, it's not, it also in mentally. It's not to be disturbed in mentally also. If dog barks like that, people will get affect. Some people will threaten in hurry-burry situation. People will get affect.
They're disturbed also. See, if children are there, they want to study, and if dog is barking, the neighbor dog,
Yeah,
children are, they are disturbed.
the elder people also.
If
will-
they are elderly people and they
Yes,
want to rest or sleep, they are disturbed.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a lot of disturbance. And in the day and the night, both, it keeps barking.
Yes, ma'am.
And the night all the more difficult because people want to rest in the night. And
Right.
the dogs keeps barking off and on, off and on.
Yes, ma'am.
So first thing you think I should file a complaint
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
police?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. What they are saying, ma'am, if you you talked with them, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. What they are saying actually.
They are not bothered. They said
They are not
"Okay,
considering.
all dogs bark. That's what they're saying. So
They are
they're
taking
not-
it as a lighter manner.
They're taking it
They are
light.
neglecting your request.
That's it.
Yeah.
So they have not considered it. And even when my children were wanting to study, they were also being disturbed.
Yeah, ma'am.
So you think I should come?
Yeah, ma'am. We can file a complaint at the police station, or we can give a legal notice.
Both I can.
Yeah, whatever it is, we can like. We can send a legal notice through legal representative, like advocate, or we can send a direct legal notice ourselves also. So, what are the issues, effect causes happening because of their pet dog? What are the issues facing us? So, it is a legal evidence for us. So,
If it's a legal notice, then a lawyer has to write the complaint
yeah, ma'am, no issue. We can also send the legal notice as a
as a client. I
Yes,
can say,
yes,
as a
yes.
normal citizen.
yes, ma'am. Normal
Because
citizen
I'm
also can.
not aware about the law as such. I don't know how.
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
frame
The
it.
lawyer includes the legal points. If we study legal points, if we get awareness about the legal rules, we can add and we can send. If we don't have that much awareness on the legal points, so we can just consult the advocate and we can send the legal notice behalf of ourselves from his.
But the lawyer also has to sign.
Yes, ma'am. Lawyer also
Okay.
needs to sign. Yes, ma'am.
Because if I give a letter, it won't have the legal standing,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Unless a lawyer also signs it or
Yes, ma'am.
has some stamp or something. on it.
Yeah.
I think that I should do. That's what I should do straight away.
Yeah. Then after we can sue them in the civil court, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is.
So we need to produce that what type of issues we are facing because of the dog.
Can I take an audio recording of
Ye-
the dog
yes, ma'am.
barking?
Yeah, ma'am.
Will it be valid?
Yes, ma'am. It's
in the
valid.
court of law?
The video proofs, audio proofs,
Okay.
any health issues because of the louder voices by the doctor.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
all can be valid, ma'am.
that I can definitely do.
Yes, ma'am.
Though I like pets, but then pets, the owner of the pet has to train
Yes,
the
ma'am.
dog.
Yes,
isn't it?
He has to be
And,
responsible.
Yes.
Yes,
He or she can't be just irresponsible and
Yes,
use the
ma'am.
dog like
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
That's it. All right. So there is there's another picture reading which today Pawan is also going to do. So there are two pictures side by side.
Yeah,
You
ma'am.
can
There-
study both the pictures. And
Yeah,
tell
ma'am.
me what
They're
you
both
think.
pictures in the one frame. Yeah. In first picture, there are some books. Some books are folded. Some books are not folded.
What do you see first? Is it
Yeah, ma'am, it is a,
house, room, what?
In both pictures, there are two individual rooms, ma'am. There is a separate rooms. If it comes to the first room, there are some cloths.
Clothes.
Clothes, ma'am.
Mhm. Clothes, where are they kept?
Yeah, ma'am. They're kept on the window, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. They just put on the window. It's not properly folded.
Just,
Yeah, ma'am.
just
yeah, ma'am.
bundled like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
There are some ties.
Toys, where are the toys?
Ties on the floor.
Floor.
Ties on the floor. Some books on the table. Yeah, ma'am. There is a one colorful ball also there. Yeah, ma'am. There are some paint brushes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
Yeah,
What
ma'am.
is-
There is a tube light.
Are there tables or something? Chairs?
Yeah, ma'am. There is no chairs or there is no other things. Some books. one ball, one toy, one bat ball, one color paint, colorful dresses.
In the first picture.
Yes, ma'am. If it comes to the second picture, there are neatly folded dresses kept inside the window.
Is that another room, Pawan, or what is it?
Ma'am, we can think like it is a same room, but before, after. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
In the first room, it was. How was the all the stuff there?
yeah, it was completely messy, ma'am.
Messy.
Yeah. If it comes to the second room, the clothes and books are properly setted,
All
properly arranged. The pens are kept under the cupboard. Yeah,
on the cupboard.
yeah, ma'am. It's called as
In
cup
in the pen stand.
in a pen stand.
Pen stand.
Yeah,
Is there a table there?
yeah, ma'am. There is a table. Ball and toys are the under the box, under a little box. Yeah, ma'am. Same here also there is a tube light. The main door was opened. Yeah, ma'am.
So do you think it's the same room and the first room was
Yeah,
messy
ma'am.
and the second room was all properly arranged?
Yes, ma'am.
neatly?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is in its place.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which room looks better?
Yeah, that is properly arranged one is obviously good, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's a nice contrast. The same room.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a doormat also, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And there's
In first room also there is a doormat, but it not in a proper
place.
way.
And did you notice? I think this is an ink bottle or something.
Yeah,
It's
ma'am.
It's on the floor in the first picture.
Yes, ma'am.
In the second picture, it's actually properly
On the table.
placed on the table. And did you notice this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Ma'am.
The first picture
Uh,
beside the light. It's a
I know, but
cobweb.
yeah, ma'am.
Cobweb.
Cobweb.
In the second picture,
There is
that's-
no cob.
it's
So
it's
it's
been
cleaned.
So the same room, and there's so much difference.
Yes, ma'am.
The toys which are all scattered all over the room, they are put in a box neatly under the table.
Under the table.
So the toys also are neatly put. Clothes are folded and they are put. And everything is in its place in the second picture. The pens and all pencils which were lying on the floor
Yes, ma'am.
are properly kept on the in a pen stand on the table. So ideally, that is how every room should look like.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So we did the different forms of verbs. Yesterday also we did some sentences examples.
Yes, ma'am.
And so today there are these four different forms: present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll give you a verb and you can maybe make examples.
Yes, ma'am.
We can take the verb play. Okay. So play is a simple present tense form, the main verb. So in a can you make a sentence with play in simple present form? Simple present is, as you know, some practice
Yes, ma'am.
or habit.
Yeah.
So with play, what can you say? Any sentence? Form any sentence.
Children usually play cricket. Children usually plays cricket.
Play.
Yes, ma'am.
Children like to play cricket?
Yes, ma'am,
or,
children.
Play cricket every day?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children play cricket or children love to play cricket? Or children play cricket every day? Anything? is
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Simple present. And if it is present continuous with play?
Yeah. Children like to playing cricket every day evening.
You can leave out the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Children are
Playing cricket every day in the evening time.
no. If it's happening now, only then you can use present continuous. Children are playing cricket now
Okay, ma'am.
in the field, in the ground, whatever. The children are playing cricket in the field now. Alright, so then you have present perfect. Present perfect mostly is a duration. Something that has been it happened up till now, but then it stopped. So it's present perfect form. With play, what is the
Children are playing cricket
no,
from
it's
the
not
morning.
continuous. Present perfect is the participle form. That
Okay.
means play is playing, participle form is played here. For example, for sleep, it is sleeps, is sleeping, slept. But for play, it is play, is playing, played. So in the present perfect form, there is one helping verb. He has, for example, he has played cricket, or he has played tennis all morning,
Yeah,
for
ma'am.
example.
Children played cricket until 7 p.m.
Give the duration. For let's say for 2 hours, 3
Yeah.
hours, even that is good. He played. He has played tennis for 2 hours. Has played.
Yeah, ma'am.
That is the present perfect form. 2 hours. Now 2 hours are over. Now, so we can say he has played. That's the time I use present perfect. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next is present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous, there are two helping verbs plus the verb form, main verb plus ing form. Okay. So can you think of a sentence with present perfect continuous?
Children are playing cricket from the morning.
Two helping verbs. Where are they? Children
Or
have been
children have been
playing
playing.
cricket all morning.
Yes.
Is okay. Have is one helping verb. Been is one helping verb. And then playing, play plus ing form. Okay. So simple present, as I told you, is always habit.
Yes, ma'am.
Practice. Everything I do every day. I cook. I cook in the evening. I play in the morning. Whatever.
I watch movies.
I watch movies every night. And what is some present continuous is something that's
Currently happening.
right now.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am watching a movie
Movies.
now. Then it's present continuous. Present perfect is something like how long? Like if I say 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 month, 2 months. I have I've been playing for 2 months. I've been playing cricket for 2 months or 1 year, 2 years, whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the time. And again, if I talk about something which was going on for quite a long time in the past, I have been playing cricket all summer. So the summer is now almost complete, but I have been playing all these, the entire summer I've been playing cricket or whatever it is. So there are, you have to get to use the correct form of the tense.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so this topic for you. We can speak about it for 1.5 to 2 minutes.
Yeah. Talk about your time when you went on a holiday trip with friends without much preparation.
Did you understand the
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Talk about your time when you went on a holiday trip with friends without much preparation. So, if the question is, did you earlier went for the any trip? Any
trip you went to, but
yeah,
without
any prior?
not much planning.
Yes, ma'am.
Suddenly people decided.
Yes, ma'am.
Not to went.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I went to Tirupati with my friends, ma'am, suddenly. Yeah, actually, they are planned. So, we met some place unusually. So, I joined with them. And so, I went to Tirupati from Warangal. So, we went in the train. Yes, ma'am. So, whenever we reached there, we booked a hotel. It is the, I think it's the month of 2024 March or some April, ma'am. It's a too heat at the time, very hot at the time. So we check into the hotel. Yeah, ma'am. Checked into the hotel. So actually we asked for the AC room. Actually he said that everything is okay. He allotted AC room, but whenever we entered into the rooms, so there is AC is not properly working, and the washrooms are not in a good condition. So we asked the hotel owner. So he changed the room. So we after that we went for the darshan. What's called in English? Visit
To have
of.
a glimpse of the Lord.
Yes, ma'am.
Glimpse.
Yeah, ma'am. So we started. We collected pilgrim tickets at the early morning. So then we started on the bus from the uh, Tirupati to Tirumala. Actually, yes, ma'am. So it's almost 1 to 1.5 hour journey. So by reaching at the Tirumala, so we joined in the queue. Yeah. At the time there is no much of rush. There is not much of rush. There are less pilgrims at that time. Yeah, ma'am. So our glimpse of God, it is completed in the 2 to 3 hours of the
Joining the queue.
joining the queue, ma'am. So we came out. We bought something at the outside of the temple.
What something?
Yeah, some laddus or something.
That's a prasadam.
Yes, ma'am, Prasad. Some different things for my friends. So, and we came back to the Tirupati, and we check out from the hotel, and actually we not booked the train tickets. So, but we sat at the reservation sleeper bogies. So whenever the TC comes into our bogies, so we asked them, we asked him, he find and allotted some empty seats. So we returned to Warangal in the 2 days, ma'am.
Okay, that is
Yeah.
great.
Yes, ma'am.
So you went without too much of planning.
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were going, you got the tickets. By the tickets reserved, or did you just go without?
Actually, they are booked, ma'am.
The
It is
friends are-
yeah, friends were booked, ma'am. It with the it's a ARC something. Ma'am.
RAC.
Half seat
It's called
RAC. It's called the RAC half seat.
Reservation against cancellation.
Yes, ma'am.
And there's RAC, you might get a confirmed ticket
Yes, ma'am.
during the journey.
Yes, ma'am.
That happens, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that was a good experience. Sometimes, certain things happen without much planning. And sometimes we plan for 1 month or more.
Yes, ma'am.
But there are times when certain things, work out so well that just by in a few hours you might plan and go.
Yes, ma'am.
And you had a proper, you visited the temple shrine and all that.
Yeah, ma'am. If we not prior plans, whatever it happen, we don't get disappoint. We will get excitement. But it is everything is new. Everything is yes, ma'am. Everything is new for us. So if we have proper plan, if anything not happen according to that plan, we will get disappointments. Yes, ma'am.
And that's fun also.
Yes, ma'am.
You start planning and you go. And the Tirupati, as you know, you could also talk about that. Tirupati, the main temple is on the top of a hill,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So Tirupati, people who actually go to Tirupati, they are on lower Tirupati.
Yes, ma'am.
And then they go up to the shrine on the upper Tirupati, which is called, because it's the top of a hill,
Yes, ma'am.
it's called Tirumala also.
Hmm.
There are a lot of guest houses in Tirumala also.
Yes, ma'am. But we need to book it prior, madam.
You have to book it.
Yeah.
And it's much cooler there because it's on the top of a hill.
Yes, ma'am.
So because there are 7 hills, he's also called the Lord of the 7 hills.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a lot of people have a lot of faith in Tirupati, in the Lord there,
Yes, ma'am.
Balaji, Venkateswara Bhagwan. That's great. So that was nice. You talked about. So do you think you would like to, make some more examples? Perhaps you could try it at home also. Just choose some verbs of your own choice.
Okay, ma'am.
Like today you did play. At home you can think of eat, maybe dance, study, whatever it is. Make an example with simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous.
Okay, ma'am.
So make some examples, complete sentences.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that will make it clearer in your mind as to what it is. So you have done the counseling for a client about a pet dog which is very noisy, and and you have studied the picture. We talked about the picture also, and we have done present perfect. And yeah, then, okay, fine. Some words from the newspaper. That's okay. Yes, so look at these.
Ma'am. Raven puts officials on alert over downpour. Clear waterlogging, maintain traffic flow, official tour. Ma'am, this news contains about the yesterday
Yes.
heavy rain
Heavy.
at the Hyderabad. So our Chief Minister of Telangana alerting the officials of the state government
What has he asked them to do?
over downpour. Ma'am, it means
Downpour, of course. What is it? What is it?
water flow.
It's a rain.
Yeah, ma'am.
Downpour. And suddenly it rained also, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
So it's a downpour. Downpour is one way of explaining the rain.
Okay, ma'am.
Rain. So what did he ask? I mean,
Ma'am, he's saying
puts officials on alert.
yeah, to clear the waterloggings. Yeah, maintain the proper traffic flow.
How you have noticed how Hyderabad is when it rains? No? When it rains
Yes, ma'am.
heavily for half an hour.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
happens on the roads?
Water comes on the roads.
Water logging takes place
Yes, ma'am.
because water doesn't flow.
Yeah,
So what then? What is
then
the
traffic jam happened.
Traffic jams or English, then people find it
People
difficult to
also-
even take the vehicles
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
water.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if there is 6 inches of water or 10 inches of
Yeah, ma'am.
water,
People don't know where the manholes.
that's also
Oh,
there.
yeah.
And the drains, so what has he asked them to do with the drains?
Yes, ma'am.
Drains, he has asked them to clear the drains.
Yes, ma'am. Water.
People throw all kinds of rubbish
Yes, ma'am.
on the roads.
The
and
water
when it
waste
rains, it
trucks.
goes into the drains.
Yes, ma'am.
So the drains are also choked. So water doesn't flow properly through the drains and the water comes on
Comes
to the road.
onto the roads.
So the problem is even the citizens of our country are not disciplined.
Yes, ma'am.
If they were more disciplined, they wouldn't
Yes,
do such
yes, ma'am.
things.
Yes, ma'am.
But anyway, so he has put his officials on alert
Yes,
over
ma'am.
downpour, saying that this is what they have to take care of when the rains are about to, when the rainy season comes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he has put his officials on alert. That means he has asked them to be ready for such
Yes, ma'am.
situations and not something which
Ready to
happens-
act, ready to.
The GHMC and all those people
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to be ready for such situations. Okay, there's another one here.
Yeah, ma'am. Farmer Naxals played key role in Chhattisgarh encounter. Yeah, ma'am. Farmer Naxals. Yeah, who worked in the Naxalism, Maoist. Yeah, ma'am. Here the farmer means earlier.
They were
Yeah,
earlier
previous.
Naxals, now
Yeah.
they are not.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Played key role in Chhattisgarh encounter. Yeah, ma'am.
What does it mean, key role?
Yeah, ma'am. The major. Yeah.
Very important.
The very important, the crucial. Yeah, ma'am.
As we say, lock and key.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
without a key, we can't open.
Yeah, the whole
So the
entire
same
whole
way.
whole the this is the entire of the whole.
Most important role.
for the
a
whole.
Very important role.
Yeah, there is encounters are happening currently, ma'am. So
So only today in the newspaper there's about some mass leader was killed.
yes, ma'am.
And a lot of people,
Yes,
people
ma'am.
are killed.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
lot of Naxalites.
Yes, ma'am.
So they were killed by in encounters with the police. So the former Naxals means people who were in the organization, but now they're no longer Naxals. Perhaps they
Yes, ma'am.
had the police to come there and maybe they guided the police. we
Yes,
don't
yes,
know,
ma'am.
Unless we can
They work as informers.
So key role is they
Yeah.
played a very important role. Okay, this one is here.
Many bloods.
That's short form for buildings,
Yeah, ma'am. Many buildings flout guidelines.
government.
Yeah, ma'am. Government guidelines. Yeah, ma'am. Here's the overall meaning is many buildings violated the
Yes.
ma'am, rules regulations of the government.
So flout means
Yeah, ma'am.
they
Violation.
violated
Yeah, ma'am.
or they didn't bother.
Yes, ma'am.
Government has got many rules.
They
but
they are not followed the rules which is prescribed by the government.
So what happens when the government buildings do that?
Yeah,
When the
ma'am.
flout government got guidelines, what happens? What is the danger?
Ma'am, it will harmful to other people, the other citizens. You know, if they think what is right, it is not right. If they build as per their interest, yeah, ma'am.
So their own safety is compromised.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
example, when the fire accident happened, they did not have proper fire safety measures.
Yes, ma'am.
And so when they just had that one entrance, and then there were so a lot of people died.
Yes, ma'am.
So had they had, maybe if they followed all the government safety norms when buildings are built, then so many people might not have died.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is when people flout, so FLOUT, flout means they violated or they disregard government rules, and then they endanger their own lives.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
those are the families. That was it. So we did some very good words today, and you should try to see, Pawan, that you use them in your
Regular.
speech.
Yes, ma'am.
As and when required, you can use all those. So we've done a lot of things today, and that was a nice talking to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.